Right, Timmy? I'm so sorry.
You can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
I'm an idiot.
Rio.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Sean, back with another episode of TooFast TV. The food truck's here already. I'm finna get some food, and then we're gonna get back to recording, and life will be beautiful. What? So this is our boy's car. We're trying to put on the new wheels for him, but the bolts, like, the nuts completely seized and stuck on there.
When this go out, this bolt is free.
So essentially you're just melting it until the bolt's loose.
No, he's fusing it together.
It can't be stuck if it's liquid.
What?
I said it can't be stuck if it's liquid, bro.
Delete on a TRX. You guys don't want to miss this out. It might be the first one on the internet. I don't know if anybody dropped anything else, but if they did, it won't be as dope as this because we got a nice TRX here wrapped in a nice gray, and we're gonna show you the muffler delete we just did. Take a look, guys. We're not gonna talk for like an hour, this, that, boom, ding, ding, dong. Just gonna show you the quick view of the truck, show you the muffler delete, and we're gonna move on to the actual sound of the product. Not like all these other guys just talking. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go. These two pieces right here. You can see here, what a beautiful piece. Taking both those out, they're not that big. And this is the actual artwork itself. They call me Picasso. As you can see here, come show them these welds on this side, nice welds on this side. Those welds are nice too, but these ones are really nice. I take pride in these, the Mona Lisa, the Mona Quifa, whatever you want to call it. Although those welds are like the Picasso, this is like the super Picasso, So now we're gonna bring the truck down, guys, and we'll let you hear it. It's actually a really beautiful truck inside out, and it's definitely a Raptor eater. I'm sorry to all the Raptor owners, this thing is a beast, man. Raptor, you guys need to step your game up. Ford, you guys are slacking, bro.
After these words.
Oh, you took that wheel off. Sick. Yeah.
Wes, what do you think about your sticker job?
It's pretty sick, no?
What would you rate it?
I mean, I didn't put it in the center, but it's not supposed to be in the center. Come look, come look. Oh! What's that noise?
Huh?
Is that okay?
Woo! But it's a W.
It's a
No,
W.
it's supposed to be that way, bro. You want me to go the other way? The other way looks. No, we had Ricky here too. We think it's that way. Like, okay, here. I'll put it.
Alright, let me tell you who's right.
No. Yeah, you're right. You're right. He is the boss.
Good job, everyone.
Put the pressure on him.
It's the new guy.
Yep.
If it takes you more than 10 minutes,
To do one sticker?
all 4, you should look for a new job.
Everybody say hi to the new employee.
No, don't worry, man. Take your time, make sure you do it right, and do it good, okay?
Wait, how the hell are you gonna put it on the back wheels? They don't have like a flat cover like that.
Man, let's go see what happens if we call him Tim.
Oh no.
I know. But he can't because I'm on camera.
Oh, facts.
Leave
Evidence.
the camera rolling as evidence. If I died today, it was Tim the Tap Man's fault.
You know where Tim the Tap Man is?
In the front.
In the front. All right.
See?
He knew exactly who we were talking about.
Hey, Tim! Timmy! Timmy boy. Yo, Tim the Tap Man. Yo. Tim the Tap Man. Hey. Yo, everybody. This is Tim the Tap Man. He's probably gonna kill me in a little bit, but you know it's okay because it's on camera and I've got evidence. Right, Timmy? I'm so sorry.
Tim the Tap Man murders black man live on camera.
There's no power coming to that headlight.
Oh.
So you gotta see what's going on with the circuit. But this fuse box doesn't even turn on until ignition is on, so it's nothing to do with this fuse box. So as you can see here, we have nothing on power. We do have a ground. So you see here, somebody has played with the OEM harness, okay? And I could assume why, but I don't know why they would add a relay. The relay just didn't help at all. Even that side is flickering, but for this, that's not what you do. You actually need a capacitor. The capacitor will store the power while it's not. If it's not putting out 12 volts, it'll store. Like say it's putting out 6 volts, it'll store 6 volts. And then if the headlight is only giving 6 volts, then the capacitor will allow the full out 12 volts. It originally has halogen, and if halogen runs on 6 volts, you're only gonna get 6 volts of brightness. So if LED doesn't work, it's because the LED is not getting 12 volts. A halogen bulb can work with 5 volts. You'll just get a dim light. It'll work with 7 volts. You'll get a little bit brighter light. But if you have 12 volts, you'll get the full potential of the light, right? If you have our LEDs, they have canvas system built into it, which has the capacitors. So normally with our LEDs, you don't need anything else. You just plug and play, right? Somebody installed HIDs in here, and the HIDs are flickering. They're not canvas, and they ended up adding this relay. Now, you see here, I gotta open up all this and see what's going on behind here. So, let's see what's going on. The issue was a faulty relay. Signal wasn't passing through the relay, so now we have a replacement relay. Very simple. What I did was take the relay from the passenger side, put it on the driver's side to test it out. Right away I knew, I had a feeling it was the relay, because when I turned on the headlights, I had somebody turn it on and I'm holding the relay. I didn't hear any click. As you can see here, when you plug it in, you'll feel the relay actually.
You can kind of hear it too.
Yeah, you'll hear it all click. So now we have this side working. We're just waiting for the replacement relay head, and then we'll go from there.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please go down there, leave a like and a comment. It really helps us out a lot. And we'll see you guys next time on TooFast TV. Peace. TooFast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gangish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.
He's saying he's gonna be going 300
Yo, I'm making you do the TikTok, so you have to stand there. I don't know why you holding a damn camera in my face.